Hush. We must remain silent.
Hush.
Shut up.
Why don't you give it a rest, Nelson?
The noise down.
Put a sock in it.
Keep it down. Just give it a rest.
Shush.
Stop speaking. Zip it.
21របៀបដើម្បីនិយាយថាបិទមាត់ឬសូមរក្សាភាពស្ងៀមស្ងាត់ជាភាសាអង់គ្លេស
1. Shut up.
Shut up មានន័យថាបិទមាត់នេះគឺជាឃ្លាមានគួរសមមួយ
2. Stop speaking.
សូមបញ្ឈប់ការនិយាយ
3. Remain silent.
Remain silent រក្សាភាពស្ងៀមស្ងាត់
4. Be quiet.
Be quiet ស្ងាត់
5. Silence.
Silence ស្ងាត់មាត់
6. Enough already.
Enough already ឈប់និយាយទៅឬល្មមឈប់និយាយហើយ
7. Keep it down.
Keep it down រក្សាភាពស្ងៀមស្ងាត់ឬបន្ថយសំឡេងរំខានបន្តិច
8. Hush.
Hush មានន័យថាស្ងាត់
9. Zip it.
Zip it បិទមាត់ឬបិទបបេមើល
10. Shush.
Shush ឬក៏ shush មានន័យថាស្ងាត់
11. Quiet down, will you?
Quiet down will you មានន័យថាបន្ថយសំឡេងបានអត់ឬស្ងាត់មាត់បានអត់
12. Give it a rest.
Give it a rest មានន័យថាឈប់និយាយពីវាទៅ
13. Put a sock in it.
ន័យត្រង់គឺដាក់ស្រោមជើងក្នុងវាឬដាក់ស្រោមជើងក្នុងមាត់ទៅន័យធៀបបិទមាត់ចេញមើល
14. Button it up.
Button it up ន័យត្រង់ដាក់លាវអាវទៅន័យធៀបរបស់វាបិទបបេចេញឬបិទមាត់ចេញ
15. Pipe down.
Pipe down មានន័យថាឈប់និយាយឬកុំនិយាយលឺពេកមើល
16. Give your mouth a break.
Give your mouth a break មានន័យថាសម្រាប់មាត់ខ្លះមើលឬឈប់និយាយខ្លះមើល
17. Could you please be quiet?
Could you please be quiet សូមរក្សាភាពស្ងៀមស្ងាត់បានអត់
18. Would you mind lowering your voice?
Would you mind lowering your voice សូមនិយាយតិចៗឬកុំមិនលឺសំឡេងខ្លាំងពេកបានអត់
19. Can we have some silence, please?
Can we have some silence please មានន័យថាសូមមានភាពស្ងៀមស្ងាត់ខ្លះៗបានអត់
20. Let's keep the noise down, all right?
Let's keep the noise down alright សូមរក្សាសំឡេងតិចៗឬកុំមិនលឺសំឡេងខ្លាំងពេក
21. Can we take a break from talking for a bit?
Can we take a break from talking for a bit មានន័យថាតើយើងអាចឈប់និយាយបន្តិចបានអត់
Enough already.
Shush.
Hey,
Jeannie, would you mind lowering your voices? People are staring.
Just quiet down.
You need to be quiet.
right down.
Would you kindly lower your voice?
Zip it. Please stop speaking.
Swear it.
Keep it down.
Shut up.
Keep the noise down.
Pipe down.
Please be quiet.
The right to remain silent.
Just put a sock in it, man.
Silence.
Enough already.
Quiet down.
Could you be quiet, please, class?
Silence.